friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking green beans in the Instant Pot. So for this easy recipe, all we need is a cup of water for pressure cooking, trimmed green beans, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And I'm going to add the trivet to the Instant Pot. So this is just to make it easier to take green beans out. If you don't have it, you can just put them directly in the water. So I put the trivet in the Instant Pot, add 1 cup of water. And I'm going to add green beans. So these are already trimmed and washed and ready to use. If you're buying them not trimmed, you need to trim them first. So I'm going to now add green beans. And I will also sprinkle them with seasonings. You can either season them now or season it after cooking. It's totally up to you. So I will season. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button. And I'm going to set the time to 0 minutes for firmer green beans. And if you'd like them more tender, do 1 or 2 minutes. So 0 for more crisp, so they'll be cooked, but they just won't be too soft. So that's how I like them. 0 minutes, and that means that the green beans will cook while the Instant Pot is coming to pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. And now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked steamed green beans in the Instant Pot. Look at these green beans, they're perfect. And it was so easy to make them in the Instant Pot. Let's take them out. So with the trivet, it's just easier to lift most of them. And there's some that fell out. I'll just take them out separately. Perfect. Look at these green beans. So these green beans, their texture is still crispy because I cooked them for 0 minutes. So if this is too crispy for your liking, you can cook it for 1 or 2 minutes if you like them softer. But this is exactly how I like them. And let's try them. I'm so excited about trying them. Perfect. This is perfect texture and they're so healthy and delicious. You will love cooking green beans in the Instant Pot. Super easy and so good for you. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!